Key 4. Alert, energized, and active. Has your body become sedentary and stiff? Has a lack of enjoyable physical activity contributed to any unhealthy conditions such as attention deficits, obesity, depression, heart disease, or diabetes? Being active enhances circulation, deepens breathing, and activates the lymphatic system that expels dangerous toxins from the body due to the enormous number of pollutants in the air and additives in our food. Through movement, these toxins are expelled to strengthen your immune and cardiovascular systems, to enhance your homeostasis and your ability to concentrate. This is the purpose of Key 4. Just take a few moments to imagine what it would be like to have the ability to perform actions with an empowered state of aliveness and focused attention to enhance your success. Nice, isn't it? It's yours for the taking.